everybody, bridal season is here and I've got the cutest DIY gift that you can make to give to your bridal party or that you can give to a bride. We're going to show you how you can make these customized tumblers today. I'm using stickers. I've got gem stickers, pearl stickers, letter stickers. You can really customize these with everybody's names, dates, whatever you want to do. And the secret to this project is Mod Podge Ultra. This is going to seal everything in. It's so easy. It's a spray and it's going to be washable. My name's Cathie and this is Make It with Mod Podge, and let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is clean my tumbler with some rubbing alcohol. I'm just using a paper towel and wiping it on the surface. And I do this every once in a while I'm doing the project. Then I'm going to be using some stickers. Like I said, we've got all different kinds of wedding themed stickers. And here's a fun tip. Go ahead and use a piece of blue tape, line that up, and that's going to give you a nice straight edge. And that's going to help you with lettering. So here I'm going to spell out Fillion, and I'm just using that blue tape as a guide for where I'm going to line up the letters. And I find that using tweezers makes it a little bit easier for the placement, so you can actually see where the stickers are going down better and not blocking it with your finger. So I'm going to go ahead and spell out Fillion, and I usually work from the center and then out to the right and then the center to the left, but that's just my technique for centering. You can do whatever works best for you. So let's get the last one down. That's the F. And then at this point, you can go ahead and remove the tape because I've got my letters all lined up the way I want them. And before I moved on to the next step, I did wipe that with some rubbing alcohol again. So you really want these stickers to stay down good, so you don't want any oils from your fingers. So let's go ahead and add one of these Mr. and Mrs. stickers. I should note that all of the craft stores have so many of these wedding stickers, and they're just perfect for using for this project. Let's go ahead and press that down. And then these are really cool. These are sort of these gemmy borders. I've even seen these at Dollar Tree and places like that. Let's go ahead and really press those down good. We are going to be sealing this with the Mod Podge spray, and the spray is so durable. So once we have everything placed down, we will be top coating this so that it'll be really friendly for even being hand washed and all sorts of activities that might happen on a wedding day. And let's face it, all of these brides and the bridal party need to stay hydrated. So this is just a fun way to create a cool cup that can help commemorate this fun day, but also keep everybody hydrated. So just go ahead for this design. I'm loading it up with all of the different stickers and doing a sort of all over scrapbooky design, but you could do a really simple design, and I'm going to show you one of those also. So look there, look all the way around. I love how this turned out. Now I'm going to tape this off again prior to spraying it because I don't really need to spray the top part or the handle. And I'm doing a brush and spray technique, which is a little bit hard to do on the handle. So make sure you protect your work surface. This is the Mod Podge Ultra, and I'm spraying that right onto the cup. And then I'm going to use a 1-inch brush to paint that over the entire thing. And I'm going to repeat this process 2 more times with a dry time in between. And once it's dry, after you've done 3 top coats of this, you could also use dishwasher safe Mod Podge here if you wanted to. Then you're going to go ahead and remove the tape, and look how cute this turns out. All of those stickers are sealed down and ready for a festive wedding day. All right, let's take a look at some of the other designs. On this one, I wanted to do something a little bit more simple. So I'm just using this diamond trim at the top, and this is going to be a Maid of Honor mug, or tumbler, I should say. I love these for the bridal party. It's such a fun way to just give a little gift on that day, but really have a nice tumbler for everyone to stay hydrated. So I'm doing the tape there again, and this time I'm going to spell out the name of the Maid of Honor, which is Laura, L-U-R-A, and you can see I started with the U, that's the center letter, and then I worked my way from the left and the right. I love just a simple design like this, and I did that same technique of sealing it with the Mod Podge. Now for this one, I wanted to do sort of a pearl and diamond look. almost like the way you would have a beaded wedding dress. I think this is a really beautiful look for a bridal one. If they weren't really into that sort of scrapbooky look and they wanted something more elegant, you could use these stickers and go ahead and put them down. For here, I'm doing a combo of pearl and rhinestones, and I left a little spot there over on the left where I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the initials for the bride. So let's go ahead and put my initials there since my anniversary is coming up, CF. But you could do anything. These are just some design ideas to share with you. And then of course I went ahead and sealed those also. Thanks so much for joining me today. I love how those tumblers turned out, and I know any bride or any bridal party would love to get those as a gift. All right, I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you, and until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.